Firstly, we need a pencil to mark the pattern on the fabric. Then, an embroidery needle to insert the wool thread. Thread scissors to cut thread. Also hoop to keep the fabric from shifting and stable. Embroidery thread to embroidering and decorating fabric. Last, fabric as media to decorate. First of all, sketch your desired design. Second, attach the embroidery hoop to the fabric. And then, insert the embroidery thread into the embroidery needle. We can start embroidering. Once everything is done, we can remove the hoop.